Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with stabilizer jacks, backup camera ready, outside shower, flip down travel rack, outside storage, LED exterior lighting, spare tire and carrier, outside speakers, double door refrigerator, pleated shades, flush mount gas range cover, overhead storage, battery disconnect, entry grab handle, stainless sink, smoke detector, LP leak detector, queen size bed, booth dinette, kitchen pantry, fire extinguisher, over the range microwave, bathroom toilet, high rise faucet, USB charging station, sink covers, rear bedroom, LED interior lighting, front bedroom. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.